Welcome to the dynamic learning hub of XLR at Andheri East. A prime spot conveniently located at just a 5-minute walk from LIC Andheri Metro. In our journey of over a decade, we have proudly trained over 2 lakh students. We have also been recognized by Deloitte, Silicon India, and other accreditation bodies. Experience learning like never before in our spacious and comfortable classrooms. With high-definition projectors and state-of-the-art acoustics in place, we ensure effective learning even to the farthest point in the room. The hybrid mode is a game changer as you can enjoy the benefits of a live classroom from the comfort of your home. Even if you happen to miss any classroom session, you can still attend the same session with the same trainer at the same time at your convenience, maintaining consistency in your learning progress. Want to get started? Join us for a demo or career chat over a cup of coffee at our Andheri branch. XLR. We don't just train, we build careers.
Yes, so the collaboration with XLR was an excellent one. We conducted a Power BI workshop with Advanced Excel over a span of 3 days. The workshop was almost 12 hours long in total. Mr. Karthik, who was an amazing trainer, helped the students understand the concepts deeply. I am sure that the students will be able to apply these concepts in their careers as well as their daily lives.
The trainer, Mr. Karthik, was an excellent person where he explained in very detailed manner on how to give great insights using very complex data sets.
So it was a machine learning workshop. We learned a lot from the course and it was a great experience attending the workshop.
The trainer was very helpful. He had a hands-on approach with his teaching and it was fabulous.
This was a great experience for me. So I would absolutely love it if XLR and its team would come again to our campus and conduct more events like this.
It was a great course and it started from basics and took me to a great extent.
The experience of the workshop was really nice. The feedback from all the students was positive. They understood the concept. The workshop was also practical based with some questions. The experience with XLR was very smooth. They helped us in conducting the workshop smoothly right from the booking of the vendor and deciding the course till the distribution of certificates. In overall, this workshop was a success during our Technical Fest Atmos, and I thank XLR for being a part of it.
Yeah, good evening, everyone. Hope all are doing good. So, good to go. We'll start the session. Today, we have our trainer, Himanshu, with us. So, Himanshu, up to you. You can take up the class.
Okay, yeah. Thanks, Chandana. Okay, so good evening, guys. So I hope you are good. Okay, so guys, we can wait for 4 minutes, then I'll start the session. Okay, so I'll start the session at 7:10. If you have any query, you can write in chat. Okay. Okay, guys, so I'm going to start the session and I'm going to share my screen. So guys, can you tell me, is my screen visible and I am audible? Yeah. So one participant is asking, Himanshu, can you please tell me, are there any other CRM before Salesforce? And also, what is it like before and after introduction of Salesforce to the marketing? Okay. So we have other CRM also. Okay, we have Zoho CRM, we have Google's CRM, Microsoft CRMs. Okay, and but Salesforce are in demand. There are many extra features which are available in Salesforce, which are not available in other CRM. Okay, and I think the price of the Zoho CRM is $50. Okay, and the price of the Salesforce, you can say started price is $75. Okay, essential price $150 and unlimited price. Okay, for unlimited edition, the price is $300. Okay, so we have other CRM also, and okay, Salesforce is from 2000 year. Okay, so let me share the PPT. So guys, okay, I'm going to ask some question to you. What I want, okay, if I am deleting the parent record, okay, so I want to delete child record also. So which type of relationship will I create? Okay, what's my requirement? If I am deleting parent record, so child record should be deleted. Which type of relationship we will create? Perfect. Okay, we'll create master detail relationship. Good. Okay, maximum how many master detail relationship we can create on one object? Yeah, two. Okay, how many lookup can we create on one object? 40. Perfect. Okay, so owner can be different or not in master detail relationship. Can I get a job as a fresher while learning Salesforce? Definitely, you can get a job. Okay, guys. So add, can I delete the standard object or not? Answer is no. Perfect. Okay, so in which data type we can add the image? In which data type we can add the image? Text area, rich data type. Perfect. Okay. Auto number is a read only field or edit field? Read only. Good. Okay. From where we can preview the application? I want to preview the application. So from where I can preview it? Yeah, from app launcher. And from where we can create the application? Now I want to create the application. Okay. Yeah, app manager. Okay, one participant is asking a question. What if someone has created a standard object? Okay. So guys, we cannot create a standard object. Okay. Whatever object you will create, it will be the custom object. What is the definition of custom object? Okay, which object is created by user, that object is known as custom object. Okay, So we cannot create custom object. Sorry, we cannot create a standard object. A standard object is given by Salesforce by default. Okay, custom object you can customize. You can delete it, edit it, whatever you want, you can do. Okay. Okay. Now one participant is asking, can we create a master detail relationship for account object in Salesforce? Okay. So there is one interview question. Let me open the document. Okay. So what you have to remember, standard object cannot be on child side in master detail relationship. Okay. Standard object cannot be on child side in master detail relationship. Okay. In lookup, it is possible. Okay. So we have two objects. Okay. One is parent. Second is child. Okay. What I want to create the lookup relationship. And I also want to create master detail relationship. Okay. So on, let's suppose parent object is standard object is a parent object. Okay. Custom object is a child object. Okay. Standard object example, we can say account. Okay. We have account object. Custom object which we have created, employee. Okay. Now what I want to create lookup relationship. Okay. I want to create the lookup relationship between account and employee object. Account should be parent, employee should be child. So can we create lookup relationship or not? Okay. So answer is yes. Can I create a master detail relationship? Guys, can we create master detail relationship? Okay. So many participants are saying no. Okay. Answer is yes. We can create. Okay. First, I want to know, guys, from which side we create relationship, from parent side or from child side? Guys, tell me, from which side we create relationship? Always we create a relationship from child side. Okay. In last class, I told you many times, always we will create the relationship from child side. Okay. From many side. Okay. So this time child object is employee. We have to open the employee and we have to link it with account object. Okay. So you, okay. What is not here? Give me a minute. Okay. Read this note. A standard object cannot be on child side. Okay, if there is a standard object on child side, we cannot create master detail relationship. Okay, if custom object is on child side, so definitely we can create master detail relationship. Okay, now custom object is on parent side. Okay, and standard object is on child side. So can we create lookup relationship or not? Guys, can we create lookup relationship? Answer is yes. Can we create master detail relationship here? Okay, so answer is no. Okay, so guys, okay, we have, okay, some student is asking why we cannot create a master detail relationship on standard object. Okay, standard object, why standard object cannot be on child side? Okay, so whenever you will open the org, okay, you will get many objects. Let me open the contact. Okay, contact is the standard object. Here I'll get some relationship. Okay, so there is lookup relationship with account object, lookup relationship with user. Okay, all the relationship are lookup. By default, whatever relationship is given by Salesforce, that relationship is lookup. Okay, there is no standard master detail relationship. Okay, so why? Okay, okay, why Salesforce is giving only lookup relationship? Why they are not giving master detail relationship? Because, okay, in master detail relationship, you cannot create the record without selecting the parent record. Okay, if you will not select the parent record, so you cannot create record. Okay, you can't create the record, but Salesforce is giving some dummy data. Okay, whenever you will open the org, okay, whenever you will open the application, Salesforce is giving some dummy data. Okay, in opportunity there is some dummy data. Okay, you can see, open the accounts, you will get some dummy data. Okay, so that data will not be available. Okay, you will not get the example. Okay, that's the reason Salesforce is not giving any master detail relationship. Okay, there is no standard master detail relationship. There is only, you can say, standard lookup relationship. Okay, between account and contact there is relationship, lookup relationship. We are going to create the contact. This contact is associated with this account. Okay, you can select the account, Burlington. Okay, Jen Point, whatever account you want to select, you can select it. Okay, one student is asking how can we remove a standard object from application, a standard tab from application. Man, go to the app manager and edit it. Okay, next question which I want to ask. We have a standard object on parent side and a standard object on child side. Can we create master detail relationship or not? Okay. Okay, first tell me, can we create lookup? Lookup is possible? Yeah, lookup is possible. Master detail, not possible. Perfect. Okay. Now, custom object is on parent side and custom object is on child side. Okay, custom object is on child side. I want to create lookup relationship. Okay, so is it possible? Okay, lookup relationship possible. Can we create master detail relationship here? Okay, so to check master detail relationship, okay, can we create master detail or not? What we have to check? We have to read this note. Okay, standard object cannot be on child side. Okay, on child side, there should not be standard object. So which object are available here? Custom. Okay, if there is custom object on sub child side, so we can create master detail, else we can't create. So this time we can create a master detail relationship. Okay, so this time master detail relationship is possible. Okay, so guys, this table is very important for interview purpose. Okay, interviewer will ask one scenario based question on this table. Okay, so let me write one question here. Then, okay, we have two objects. Okay, one is claim object and second is contact object. Okay, claim is a custom object and contact is a standard object. Okay, so okay, claim is a custom object and contact is a standard object. Okay, claim is on parent side and contact is on child side. I want to create master detail relationship. Okay, claim is on parent side and contact is on child side. So I want to create master detail relationship. Okay, so can we create master detail relationship or not? Okay, so according to Nagendra, we can't create. Okay, Prasanna can't create. Hemant can't create. Tirasya, we cannot create. Okay, so guys, can we create master detail relationship? Not possible. Why we cannot create master detail relationship here? Because contact is the standard object and it is on child side. Okay, if we have two object, okay, we have two object, one is claim and second is contact. Claim is a custom object and contact is a standard object. Okay, claim is on parent side and contact is on child side. So I want to create master detail relationship. Is it possible or not? So answer is no. Okay, so when you will give the interview, interviewer will ask this type of question. Okay, like that, interviewer will ask the question. So answer is no. Okay, no, we can't create master detail relationship. Why? Standard object cannot be on child side in master detail relationship. Here, contact is a standard object. Okay, so now let me start the next topic. Okay, so two type of relationship we have studied. Okay, next is self lookup. Okay. Next type of relationship is self lookup. Okay. So if you want to create the relationship on same object, okay, if you want to create the relationship on same object, that type of relationship is known as self lookup. Okay. So if you want to create a relationship on same object, so that type of relationship is known as self lookup. Example. Okay, so when we will create the self lookup relationship, okay, let's suppose there is one employee. Okay, we have employee object. Okay, Ram, Sam, Kavya. Okay, they are the employees who are working in Excel. Okay, so if Ram will refer to a new employee, okay, if Ram will refer to an employee, so Ram will get 5,000 extra amount. Okay, if Ram will refer to our employee, he will get 5K extra amount. Okay, so now new employee is coming. Okay, name is Mayank. Okay, what I'm doing, I'm going to create new employee record. Okay, employee name Mayank, employee ID mayank@gmail.com, employee phone number. So there I want to store one information also. Referred by, okay, referred by Ram. Mayank is referred by Ram. Okay, next is Mukul. What I want to store the information. Okay, I'm storing Mukul information and Mukul is referred by Ram. Okay, Manya. Manya is referred by Ram. Okay, so what I want to create one field referred by. Whenever we will create the employee, there should be one field. Okay, referred by. And what value we can select in this field? Okay, existing employee referred by Ram, Syam, Kavya. Okay, referred by Ram. So when I'll open the Ram record, okay, whenever I'll open the Ram record, so there should be one count. How many employee is referred by Ram? Okay, one employee, two, three. Okay, name should be display, employee name, who is referred by Ram. Okay, so how it is possible? It is possible with the help of self lookup. Okay, we are going to create new employee, and on employee record, we are displaying the other employee information. Okay, we are selecting other employee information. We are selecting Ram, Syam, Kavya. Okay, so that time we will create self lookup. Okay, if an employee is referred by another employee, so that time I want to store both employee information in one place. Okay, so it is possible by self lookup. Okay, so now I'm going to create the field referred by field. Okay, so I want to create referred by field in employee object. So guys, can you tell me the navigation? How can I create? From where I can create the field? Yeah. So guys, we have to open the object manager. Okay, good. Open the object manager employee. Perfect. Okay, fields and relationship. Perfect. Okay, there is one button new. Okay. So when we create the relationship, okay, we will get 6 steps. We have to follow 6 steps. First one, select data type. Okay, so which data type we have to select? Lookup relationship. So going to select lookup relationship data type. Okay. Now clicking on next button. Now step 2. Step 2 means parent object. Okay. So guys, which object will be the parent here? Okay, from which object we have to create the relationship? Employee. Okay, Ram, Syam, Kavya, these are the employees. These are the employee record. Okay, so who will be the parent? Same object will be the parent. Okay, so I'm going to select the employee object. Okay, so on same object we'll create the relationship. Parent, who will be the parent object? Same object. Who will be the child? Same object. Okay, Ram can refer to many student. Man, okay, many side. Child object will be same. Parent object will be same. That is self lookup. Okay, in related to employee. Clicking on next button. Okay, what should be the label name? Referred by. Okay, third step completed. Clicking on next. FLS. Okay, step fourth FLS. We have to skip it. Now clicking on next button. Okay, step 5. Okay, add to page layout. Okay, it is adding. Now clicking on next button. Okay, so on employee object, information should be available on related list. Yes, I want. Now clicking on save button. Okay, validation error. Why? Okay, I have clicked many times. Okay, I have clicked many times on save button. That's why I'm getting this error. Okay, field has been created. Let me search it. Okay, referred by. Which type of relationship? It's a lookup. Okay, from which object? Employee. Okay, self lookup relationship. If we are creating the lookup relationship on same object, that is self lookup. Okay, field has been created. Now I'm going to test the functionality. So simple, going to open the employee tracker application. Click on the app launcher, open the employee tracker application. Okay, now I am on employee object. Clicking on new. Okay, employee 01 is Ram. Okay, what I'm doing, I'm clicking on new button. Going to create new record. Okay, Manya record. Okay, so Manya is referred by Ram. Okay, so go to the referred by and select the Ram, employee 01. Okay, Manya employee is referred by Ram. Select the Ram. Save. Okay, so employee ID, employee 14. What is the name? Manya. Who has referred? Who has referred? Employee 01. If you want the details of employee 01, you can click here. Okay, what will you get? You will get the employee 01 information. Ram, mail ID. Okay, so what I'm doing, again, I'm going to create new employee. Okay, so clicking on referred by. Okay, Nitish is also referred by Ram. Clicking on save button. Okay. Now employee 15, Nitish Kumar is also referred by employee 01 Ram. Okay. So guys, now I want to check how many employee is referred by Ram. Okay. I want to check how many employee is referred by Ram. Okay. So how can we check it? Simple, open the Ram record. Okay, Ram record is employee 01. So I'm going to open it. Employee 01. Okay, now go to the related list. Okay, go to the related list. And when you will go to the related list, okay, so you can see there are 3 salary which we have given to Ram. Do scroll down. Okay, so there are 2 employee who is referred by Ram, employee 14 and 15. Okay, so here you will get the details. Okay, so if you want to check how many employees referred by Syam, open the Syam record, go to the related list, you will get the details. Okay, if you want to check how many employees referred by Kavya, open the Kavya record and you will get the details. Okay, so guys, it's a self lookup relationship. Okay, so do you have any doubt, guys? Okay, no. So one participant is asking, in the lookup box, we will be getting the name. Okay, in the lookup box, we are getting only ID. Okay, if I am creating new employee record, I am getting ID, referred by ID. Along with ID, I want other information also. Along with ID, I want to display employee name like Ram, Syam, Manya, Kavya. Okay, how it is possible? Okay, and another thing also. Lookup and self lookup navigation में difference. Okay, there is no difference. Okay, same step you have to follow. Only what is the difference? In lookup relationship, we don't select same object, but in self lookup, we will select the same object. Okay. Okay, guys, you can take the snapshot, okay, of this slide. If you want navigation, please take a screenshot. Okay, setup object manager, employee, field and relationship new. Okay, step 1, select data type lookup. Okay, select parent object. Parent object should be employee. In self lookup, we will select same object, but in lookup relationship, okay, object will be different. That's the main difference only. Okay, self lookup basically it's a part of lookup relationship. Okay, what is the difference between Salesforce developer and admin? Admin means who follow point and click approach. Okay, declarative approach. Developer who writes the code. Okay, yeah. These, sir, these will be posted in LMS. Yeah, you will get these notes in LMS also. Okay, so guys, okay, what is the requirement? One student wants whenever will create new employee record. Okay, what I want to display employee, I want to display employee name along with ID employee name. Okay, if we are giving the salary, okay, we are giving the salary to employee to Ram. So here what I'm getting only ID. What I want the name. Along with ID, I want the name. Okay, so how it is possible? Okay, so guys, for that we have search layout. Okay, we have search layout. Okay, so what will happen if we will use search layout? Okay, so guys, you can see here on employee tab, I am getting only ID. Okay, here I am getting ID. Okay, next to ID, I want to display name. Okay, there should be one box. Okay, along with ID, name, phone number, okay, email, owner name, other detail I also want to display in a table. Okay, employee 01, name, phone, email, employee 15, name, phone, email. Okay, other details I also want to display in a table on recently view list view. What is it? It's a list view. Okay, it's a list view. Okay, all student we can see, sorry, all employees. Okay, recently viewed employees we can open. Okay, so what I want on recently view, I want other fields detail. So how it is possible? It is possible with the help of search layout. Okay, so if you want to display other field information on recently viewed list view. Okay, so that time you can use search layout. Okay, first benefit. Second, if you want to display more fields on lookups box in child object, so that time you can also use search layout. Okay, on child object, if you want to display more field along with ID, you want to display name, so it is also possible by search layout. Okay, so where we will get the search layout, we have to click on the setup. Okay, and then click on object manager and open the object in which you want to create the search layout. Okay, so on employee object I want it. So when you will click on the employee object, what you will get, first you will get the detail. Okay, first you will get the details, then next to detail there will be fields and relationship, page layout, record types. Okay, setup object manager employee, setup object manager employee. Okay, first detail, fields and relationship, page layout. Okay, so here will be the search layout also. Go to the search layout. Okay, so default layout is employee ID. In default layout, there is only one field available, that is employee ID. Okay, so you can see on recently view, what I'm getting employee ID information only. Okay, so I'm going to add other fields. Okay, so I'm going to add employee name. Okay, employee email, phone number. Okay, employee state and owner first name. Okay, sixth field I have added. Now clicking on save button. Okay, after saving, again I'm going to check the recently view list. Okay, so when I'll open the recently view list view, so what I'll get other fields detail also. Okay, employee 01 Ram, email ID, phone number, state, owner. Okay, Venkat email, phone number, state, first name. Okay, who has created Himanshu. Okay, so when I'll create new employee record, I'll get two field information. Okay, at the time of creating the record in lookup, okay, in search lookup, we will get initially two field information only. Okay, here I'll get initially two field information, employee ID and name. Okay, So employee 01 is Ram. Employee 15 Nitish. Okay, 14 Manya, Nandita, Venkat. Okay, when I'll give the salary, I'll get the name also. Okay, to whom we are giving the salary. Okay, so guys, how it is possible? It is possible with the help of search layout. Okay. So guys, do you have any doubt? How can we modify this list view? Okay, how can we display other fields information on recently view? Okay, so Prakash is asking, can we create list view itself? Yes, it is possible. Okay, it is possible. We can create new list view also. Okay, on the basis of requirement, we can create the list. Okay, so guys, what I did, I have created search layout. Okay, how I have created, I have clicked on setup, object manager, employee. Okay, when you will open the employee, there will be some information like details, fields and relationship. Okay, page layout, field set, record types. Do scroll down, you will get the search layout also. Okay, on left hand side, you will get the search layout. Click on search layout, then go to the default layout. Okay, edit it. Now add the field which you want to display on recently viewed list view. Okay, after that click on save button. Simple, these are the navigation. Okay, so when you will add the field, what changes will you get? Okay, earlier I was getting only employee ID here. Okay, earlier I was getting employee ID here, but after adding the fields on search layout, I'm getting the employee name, email, phone number, state. Okay, owner information. Okay, employee, do scroll down, search layout, add the fields on default layout. Whatever fields you will add, that field you will get on recently view list. Okay, I think, okay, it has been clear now. Okay, guys, any doubt till here? No, perfect. Okay, so one student is asking, can we create list view like recently view list or not? Okay, so guys, it is possible. Okay, so let's suppose what I want. Okay, what is my requirement? Okay, what is the client requirement? Client want client wants one list in which all Telangana employees should be available. Okay, so if there are 10 employees from Telangana, okay, so on this list 10 employee information should be available. Okay, if there are 10 employees from Karnataka, okay, so if I'll, okay, so I want to create one list Karnataka employees, Telangana employees, okay, Tamil Nadu employees, Maharashtra employees. Okay, so if I am clicking on Telangana's employees, so all the employees who are from Telangana, that should be available. Okay, so how it is possible? It is possible with the help of list view. Okay, so what is it? Next topic is list view. Okay, so guys, you were asking how it is possible. It is possible with the help of list view. Okay, how can we create list view? Okay, so guys, before creating the list view, let me add some employees in Telangana state. Okay, only there is one is, you can say, one employees, okay, who are from Telangana. Let me add other. Okay, so 4 employees I have added in Telangana state. Okay, now what I'm doing, I'm going to create the list view. Okay, I'm going to create one list view, Telangana's employees. And whenever I'll click on Telangana's employees list, okay, so all the Telangana's employees should be displayed. Okay, so how it is possible, guys? Here you will get one gear icon. Okay, what is it? It's a list view control. Okay, so guys, if you want to create the list view, so what you have to do, you have to click on this icon. Okay, what is it? It's a list view control. Okay, so I'm clicking on list view control. What I want to create new list. Okay, so clicking on new list. What is the list name? Okay, Telangana employee. Whatever the list name you want to write, you can write it. Okay. Okay. Now what I'm doing, I'm clicking on save button. Okay. So Telangana's employees list has been created. But by default, I'm getting how many employees I'm getting? I'm getting 15. All the employees I'm getting in this list. But what I want to display only Telangana's state employees. Okay, how it is possible? Now we have to add the filter. Okay, so on right hand side. Okay, on right hand side you will get the filters. So I'm clicking on add filter and I'm going to add one filter. Okay, one criteria. So state. Okay, let me select the state. Employee select equal value. Done. Okay, now clicking on save button. Okay, so I have added the filter. Okay, after adding the filter, you can see how many employees I am getting. I am getting only 4 employees. Okay, employee 2, 3, 4, 11. So there are 4 employees who are from Telangana. Okay, so by default, I'm getting the ID. Now, what I want to add other information also along with ID, name, phone, state. So how it is possible? Again, click on list view control. Okay, click on list view control, and this list I want to edit. Okay, so if you want to edit the filter, you can edit the filter here. If you want to add field, okay, if you want to add fields, you can add the fields from here. So what I'm doing, I'm going to add the fields. Okay, so click on select fields to display. Okay, so along with ID, I want to display name. Okay, employee name, phone number, okay, state, email ID, okay, owner first name. Now click on save button. So you can see, okay, total employees are 15. Okay, how many employees are from Telangana? There are 4. Okay, what is the name of the employee? Syam. Okay, Sankey, Griza, Venkat. These employees are from Telangana. Okay, so how it is possible? It is possible with the help of list view. Okay, so guys, do you have any doubt in list view? Okay, if you want to display the records on the basis of criteria on tab, so that time we use list view. Okay, if you want to display the record on the basis of criteria on tab page. Okay, so that time we can use list view. Yeah, so if you will log out and log in the Salesforce org, even then it will be saved. Okay, Salesforce are on cloud. So whatever you will do, it will be saved on cloud. Nagendra, why we use pencil symbol? Which pencil symbol, Nagendra? This pencil, it's the editor. From here we can edit the record. Okay, what is it? It's a lightning table. Okay, in table we have given the access. Inline edit. Okay, beside refresh list view. Edit this list. It's also inline edit. Okay, it's an inline editor which you, okay, inline edit, it comes in HTML. What, okay, what we can do, we can edit the data of any fields, or you can say we can edit the data of the table. Okay, inline edit option we are giving. Okay guys, so now you can take 5 minutes of break and come back again at 8:14, sorry, 8:10. Okay guys, enjoy your 5 minute break. Okay, so guys, are you back? Guys, am I audible to you? Are you back? Yeah, perfect. Okay, so guys, now I'm going to start next topic. Okay, self lookup has been completed. Okay, now next topic which I'm going to start, that is many to many relationship. Okay, next topic is many to many relationship. Okay, next type of relationship is many to many, and its most important relationship. Okay, so what we have to do? Okay, till now we were storing one to many type of data. Okay, we have created lookup and master detail in both relationship. Okay, in lookup and master, which type of data we were storing? Okay, we were storing only one to many. Now what is the requirement? We have to store many to many type of data. Okay, guys, we have to store many to many type of data. So how it is possible? It is possible with the help of many to many relationship. Okay, so it is possible with the help of many to many relationship. Okay, so if you want to store many to many information, so that time we use many to many relationship. Okay, next point, to creating, okay, to creating many to many relationship, we need to create one junction object. Okay, how can we create many to many relationship? With the help of junction object. Okay, so guys, what is my requirement? We have one object. Okay, that is project. One object is employee. Okay, second object which we have, that is project. Okay, in employee we have okay, we have one object employee, second project. So let's suppose we have some employees. Okay, Ram, Sam, Kavya, Manya. Okay, these are the employee, and we have some project. Okay, Thermo Fisher. Okay, lease log. Okay, we have one project on Java and SAP project. Okay, so Thermo Fisher project started in 2023. Okay, ended in 2024, Jan 2024. Okay, who worked in Thermo Fisher project? Ram. Thermo Fisher Okay, Syam and Kavya. Okay, after that, Ram has worked in Lease Log. Okay, Syam also. Okay, Manya and Divya also. Okay, so one employee can be in, okay, sorry, many employee can be in one project. Okay, how many employees in Thermo Fisher project? Okay, there can be many. Okay, in one project we can have many employees. Okay, in one project we can have many employees. Okay, Java project, Kavya, Manya, Divya. In one project we can have many employees. Okay, now I am asking, okay, one employee can work in many projects or not? In a company, one employee can work in many projects or not? Okay, guys, if project will complete in a year, after that will you work in another project or not? Okay, project will complete in a year. So what will you do? Next year you will work in another project. Okay, so one employee can work in many project. Answer is yes. Okay. So first question, how many employee can we have in a project? Okay, answer is many. Okay, next question. How many employee can we have in a project? Okay, in how many project one employee can work? Okay, answer is many. Okay, so answer is many. Now what we have to do? Okay, we have to store many to many information. Okay, many employees can work in many projects. Okay, we have to store many to many information. Okay, if client requirement is, we have to store many to many information. Okay, what is the client requirement? Now client wants to store many to many type of data. Okay, so how it is possible? It is possible with the help of junction object. Okay, so now we have to create the relationship between employee and project, many to many. How it is possible? Create one junction object. Okay, like that we will create one junction object. Okay, go to the setup object manager and create one junction object. Okay, what will be the junction object? Okay, any name you can write. I'm going to write employee project. Okay, what is it? It's a junction object. Okay, so which information? Okay, we will create the junction object. What is junction object, guys? What is junction object? When we create two master detail relationship on one object, so that object is known as junction object. Okay, when we create two master detail relationship on one object, so that object is known as junction object. Okay, so what we have to do, we have to make this object as a junction object. How can we make it? Create two master detail relationship. Okay, so what I'm doing, I'm going to create two master detail relationship. Okay, guys, this topic I'll teach you only one time. Okay, many to many relationship I'll not repeat again. Okay. Okay, what we have to do, we have to show man to man information. I have created a junction object. Okay, what is junction object? Create two master detail relationship. Okay, so first relationship we will create with employee object. Okay, first relationship we will create with employee object. Okay, which object will be parent? Employee object will be parent. Okay, employee project object will be child, child of employee. Okay, so it is the primary relationship. Okay, first relationship, whatever you will create, it will be primary. Okay, you can create it with project also, it's up to you. Okay, you can select any object. Okay, after that what you will do, you will create the second relationship, second master detail relationship. Okay, with project object. Okay, project is the parent object. Okay, parent, sorry, child of project. Okay, child of project. Perfect. Okay, so guys, I want to know which side will be many side. Okay, parent side is many side or child side is many side. From which side we say many, to parent or to child? Okay, so we say many side to child. Okay, child side is many side. Okay, one parent can have multiple child. Okay, one parent can have many child. So okay, parent is one side, child is many side. Okay, child child of employee. What is the meaning of this line? Means we can store, child means many information of which object? Employee. Okay, so from primary relationship, from first master detail relationship, we can store many information of the employee. Okay, then from secondary relationship we can store, okay, it will be the many side of the project object. Okay, so many information of project, many side of project. Okay, from secondary relationship. Okay, so now if you will check the junction object, okay, if you will check the junction object, in junction object you can store many information of the employee as well as many information of the project. Okay, so this type of relationship it will be, it will be a many to many relationship. Okay, guys, it will be a many to many relationship. Now in junction object you can store many to many type of data. Okay, so guys, do you have any doubt till here in theoretical part? Okay, so guys, no. Perfect. Okay, so if you have to store many to many information, create one junction object and create two master detail relationship. Okay, so in our org, okay, there Okay, in our org, there is employee object. Already I have created employee object. Okay, but there is no project object in my org. Okay, there is no project object in my org. So what I'm doing, I'm going to create one object. Okay, I'm going to create project object. Okay, we have company employee salary. Let me create another object. Okay, that is project. Okay, label name you can write project. Okay, projects. It's the object name. Okay, first field I want project name. Okay, data type text. These optional feature. Okay, these are the optional. Okay, I want to create the tab also. That's why I'm clicking on this checkbox. Okay, clicking on save button. Now clicking on next button. Next. Okay, I want to add this tab. Okay, project tab on employee tracker application. So going to select the employee tracker as a application and clicking on save button. Okay, now open the employee tracker application. Okay, so what will I get? I'll get the project information. Okay, new project we can create. Okay, so what I want to create two fields, start date of project and end date of the project. Okay, start date and end date of the project. So open the project, go to the fields and relationship. Okay, click on the new button and create the field. I'm going to create one field with date data type. Okay, start date. And second field name is end date. Okay, so two field I have created. Okay, so we have employee, we can create the project. Okay, so in sometimes I'll get the start date and end date field here. Okay, let me write the project name first. Okay, so two project I have created. Lease log thermo officer. Okay, now what I want to store many to many information. Okay, many employee can be in many project. Okay, so what we have to do first, we need to create the junction object. Okay, first we have to create the junction object. So I'm going to create the junction object. Okay, so simple, go to the object manager, setup, object manager, and create new object. Okay, write any object name. So what I'm doing, I'm going to create the junction object between employee and project object. So I'm writing employee project as a junction object name. Okay, and here I'm going to write the employee project ID. Okay, I want to select only employee and project. I don't want to enter any other value. So going to select auto number field. Okay, auto number data type of field, employee project. Okay, 0, 0. Starting number from 0, 1. Okay, now click on save button. Okay, going to select the tab style. Train, clicking on next. Okay, now again clicking on next, and I'm going to add this tab. Okay, junction object tab in employee tracker application. Now clicking on save button. Okay, so employee project tab has been created. You can see employee project. Okay, so junction object I have created. Okay, so guys, now what I have to do on junction object? Junction object already created. Okay, we have to create the master detail relationship. Okay, so we are going to allocate the project to the employee. So project allocation is the junction object. Okay, project allocation या employee project. Okay, so employee project I have created. Now what I'm doing, I'm going to create the field. Okay, which field? Master detail relationship field. Okay, go to fields and relationship, click on the new button. Okay, and create the master detail relationship field. Okay, next button. Who will be the parent? Which object will be parent here? Yeah, employee. Okay, I am on junction object. On junction object, I am going to create the relationship. So primary relationship will be with employee object. Secondary relationship will be with project object. Okay, so first time who will be the parent? Employee object. Let me select the employee here, clicking on next. Okay, now what label name you want to display? Okay, so I want to display employee. Next, next. Okay, clicking on save and new. Now doing scroll down. Again, I am selecting master detail as a data type, and I am going to create second master detail relationship. Okay, so who will be the parent second time? Okay, second time who will be the parent? Project object will be the parent. Good. Okay, second time we have to select the project object. Okay, now again I am clicking on next button. Okay, label name project or select project name. Whatever you want to write, you can write the label name. Okay, now clicking on next, save. Okay, so guys, how many relationship I have created on employee project object? How many master detail relationship I have created yet on this object? 2. Okay, so can I create third master detail relationship on this object or not? I want to create third master detail relationship. Is it possible? Okay, let's check it. Okay, clicking on new button, doing scroll down, and you can see. Okay, master detail relationship option is disabled. Okay, why? You cannot create this type of field because this object already has two master detail relationship. Okay, this object has already two master detail relationship. Okay, Himanshu, is there any reason why we can't create only two master detail relationship? There is some governor limit. Okay, guys, there is some governor limit which you have to study. Okay, in upcoming time, I'll teach you what is governor limit. Governor limit, why Salesforce is giving the governor limit. Okay, in Salesforce we have governor limit. Okay, so I'll tell you the reason why Salesforce is giving this governor limit. Okay, else you can search in your free time. Okay, let me open the org. So maximum we can create two master detail relationship. Okay, already created. Now I'm going to open the application. Okay, we have employee project. Clicking on new button. Okay, select employee. Ram is working on lease log project. Okay, save and new. Ram, he is also working. Okay, in thermo fisher project. Same. Okay. So what we can do, we can open the employee also. Okay, employee 02, Syam. Go to the related list. Here you will also get the employee project. Okay. So Syam is working in which project? Lease log also. Save and new. Okay, and in thermo fisher. Okay, else what can you do? You can open the project. Okay, who is working in thermo fisher project? Okay, 10 employees are working. Okay, so go to the related list and add the employee. Click on the new button and add the employee. Okay, Sanki Agarwal. Save and new. Okay, Nitish Kumar. Okay, so we can add the employee. Okay, so in thermo fisher project, how many employees? There are 5. Okay, in lease log, how many employees? There are 2 employees. Okay, so guys, it's a way to create the many to many relationship. Okay, simple, create 2 master detail relationship on one object. That okay, so that object will become the junction object, and in that object you can store many to many type of data. Okay, so guys, any doubt? Himanshu, can we create a junction object with 2 lookup relationship? Guys, if you will create 2 lookup relationship, lookup means not mandatory. Okay, lookup is optional. Okay, optional means it's not mandatory to select the employee. Okay, so if you will not select the employee, there is not makes sense to store the project information only. Okay, so it's not possible. Okay, we can create 2 lookup, but it will not be many to many relationship. Okay, what I'll store here project information. If I will not select the employee, what I'm storing project information only, lease log. Okay, same information we can store in project object also. Then what is the use of this junction object? Okay, there is no use to create the junction object if relationship field will not be required. Okay, so with lookup it is not possible. Always we have to create master detail relationship. Okay, any other doubt which you want to ask participants? Okay, I have one question. Now, how many parents we have? We have two parents. Okay, one is project, second is employee. Okay, one is parent project, second is employee. Okay, guys, if I'll delete the Thermo Fisher record, okay, there are 5 employees who are working in Thermo Fisher. Okay, if I'll delete the Thermo Fisher project, what will happen to the junction object record? Okay, if I'll delete the Thermo Fisher record, so there are 5 associated record. Okay, 5 associated record of Thermo Fisher. What will happen? Because this time there are two parents. We have two parents. One parent you are deleting, even then we have another parent. So what will happen? Record will be deleted or not? Okay, so guys, if you have created master detail relationship, okay, and you are deleting the parent object, so child object record will be deleted. Okay, it doesn't matter how many parents are available. Okay, if you will delete any parent record, okay, so all associated record will be deleted. If I delete the employee, even then all the associated record will be deleted. If I'm deleting the project, even then all associated record will be deleted. Okay, so we can check the functionality. Okay, we will check record will be deleted or not. Okay, so employee project 7 records. What I'm doing, I'm going to delete the Thermo Fisher project. Okay, there are 5 employees who are working in this project. Okay, so you can see project allocation or employee project record has been deleted. Okay, so it doesn't matter which parent record you are deleting. Okay, if you are deleting the parent object, so associated record will be deleted. Okay, if you will restore, so associated record will also restore. Okay, you can see here. Okay, so it is the example. Okay, so guys, if you don't have any doubt, we can study next topic. Any doubt till here? Shall we move to next topic? Yeah. So guys, in this PPT, you will get one assignment. Okay, you will get one assignment. Okay, you have to create one university application if you have not created. Already, I have given this assignment to you. Okay, you need to create one university application. In this application, you have to create some object like student, faculty, course, batch, activity, student activity, and rating object. Okay, these are the fields of the student object. Okay, student ID, salutation, student name, gender. Okay, these are the data type which you have to select, and these are the values. Okay, student ID, it should be like std001, std002. Okay, and pick list value I have added here. Okay, second object which you have to create, faculty. Okay, so faculty name, phone, email, total experience. Okay, faculty address. Okay, these are the records which you need to create. Okay, these are the example. You can enter faculty name like Koransu, okay, Ram, Syam, phone number, email, total experience, address. Okay. After that, you have to create course object and you have to add course object in university application. Okay. What field name you have to add? Course name. Okay. What is the fees of the course? Course duration. Okay. And who will teach the course? Select faculty. Okay. So this time course. Okay. Let's suppose course is Salesforce admin. Okay. Salesforce admin fees 10,000. Okay. Course duration 1 month. Who will teach? Goransu will teach. Okay. CPQ course fees is 10,000, 1 month duration, Goransu will teach. Okay. Salesforce development course 15K fees, duration 1 month, Ram will teach. LWC, Divya will teach. Okay. So these data you have to create. Yeah. So Muskan is asking, is it same like employee? Yeah. Okay. Next is you have to create batch object and you have to add it in university application. Okay. So batch timing. Okay. So for one course, we can have many batches. Okay. Admin, we are teaching in morning also, 9 a.m. to 10 a.m. You can join it. Okay. Salesforce admin course, we are teaching at 4 p.m. to 5 p.m. Okay. So for one course, we can have many batches. Okay. One to many relationship. Okay, so select course. You have to create master detail relationship also. Timing. These records you have to create. Okay, next object activity. Okay, so in activity object, you can store activity details like cricket, football, hockey, basketball, chess, badminton. Okay, then you have to create junction object. Okay, so here what is the junction object? Student activity. Okay, so let's suppose there is some sports activity in our institute. Okay, so one student can participate in many activities. Okay, so if Ram is the student, Ram can participate in cricket, football, hockey. Okay, one student can win many sport, many activity, and in one activity we can have many students. Okay, so this type of relationship, it's a many to many relationship. Okay, so student activity is the junction object. Okay, where you have to create two master detail relationship. Okay, so Mank is in cricket, Mank he is also in football. Okay, Arpit he is in cricket, he is also in basketball. So like Mank and Arpit, we can have many students who can participate in cricket as well as in football. Okay, so you will get many to many relationship example also. Okay, next slide. Okay, we have rating object. Okay, so to student we can give the rating. Okay, so you have to create the rating object. Okay, so rating for project. How many ratings you are giving? Out of 199, 90, 80. To which student? Mank. Okay, you can create master detail relationship. I am giving rating to Mank this time. Okay, so this project I have added in this PPT. Okay, so you will get the access of this PPT. Okay, so in your free time you can work. Yeah, guys, you can add own data also. Okay, it's not mandatory to add my data. On the basis of your requirement, you can add your data. Okay, for example, I have added my data. Okay, like that you have to add the data. Is there any deadline? Guys, you have to complete it before till 31st. Okay, 31st is the last date. Okay, complete this assignment and you have to make this one PPT also. Okay, you have, and in PPT you have to add this screenshot. Okay, application screenshot, field screenshot. Okay, so it's the assignment. Okay, next is formula field. Next data type which I'm going to teach you, that is formula field. Okay, I'll tell you where you have to submit this assignment. Okay, first complete it. Okay, so next type of field which I'm going to teach you, that is formula field. Okay, so for it's a system generated field. Yeah, it's a read only field. Okay, formula field is the read only field. Okay, so then we can't enter the value. Okay, so who will generate the value? System will generate the value automatically. Okay, system will generate the value automatically. We don't need to enter the data. Automatically system will calculate the data. Okay, who will calculate the data? System will calculate the data. Okay, so what I want to add, I want to create some tab. Okay, so sorry, I want to create some fields in salary object. Okay, I want to create some fields in salary object. Okay, we are giving the salary to employee. Okay, so first I want payslip date. Okay, I am on salary, and what I'm doing, I'm giving the salary to the employee. Okay, I'll select the employee. So we are giving the salary to the employee. Okay, what I want to create one field, that is payslip date. Okay, so if I'm giving the salary today. Okay, if I'm giving the salary today, so what should be the payslip date? Okay, what should be the payslip date? Today's date. Payslip date should be today's date. Okay, first requirement. Automatically today's date should be available if I have created today. Okay, 22 July. So how it is possible? It is possible with the help of formula field. Okay, so how can we create the formula field? Okay, in which object we have to create the field? In salary object. Okay, so click on the setup and open the salary object. Okay, object manager, and open the salary object. Okay, go to fields and relationship and create one field. Okay, so which data type we have to select here? Now which data type we have to select? We have to select formula as a data type. Okay, so I have selected formula as a data type. Clicking on next button. What is the field name? Payslip date. Okay, in return, what will I get? I'll get the date. So I am selecting date as a data type. Okay, what value I want to store? Date type of value. Okay, clicking on next button. Okay, now what we have to do? We have to write the logic. Okay, we have to write the logic. So what value should be available? Payslip date. Okay, it should be today. Okay, it should be today date. Okay, if today is 22, it should be 22. If today is 23, 23 July. Okay, so what we will do? We will use today function. Okay, so in formula field, we have one function that is today. What it will return? It will return today's date. Okay, if you want task should be complete within 7 days. Okay, task is created today and it should be completed within 7 days. So today plus 7. Okay, now what we have to do? We have to send the mail one day before. Okay, one day before of end date. Okay, so we can use this type of function. Okay, I want to send the mail after creating the after 7 days of creating the record. Okay, so created date is today. Today plus 7. Okay, send the mail. Okay, so today is the function which will return today's date. So I'm going to use it. Okay, so come to the logic and here you will get advanced formula. Okay, you will get advanced formula. Click on advanced formula. Okay, and when you will click on advanced formula, on right hand side you will get the function. Okay, and you will get today function. Do scroll down, today. Okay, so returns the current date. Select the today function. Okay, what should be the pay slip date? Today. What is, okay, today's date. Click on the check syntax. Okay, there is no syntax error. Okay, blank field as blank you can select. Okay, click on the next button, next, and save it. Okay, so pay slip date field I have created. Okay, so 2 times I have clicked, that's why I'm getting this error. Okay, pay slip date field has been created. Okay, now let me create one record. Salary. Okay, 50,000. Selecting the employee, clicking on save button. Okay, so I am not getting payslip date here. Why I am not getting payslip date field here? Okay, guys, why I am not getting payslip date field here? Because it's a read only field. Okay, on edit page we will not get the field. So when I'll click on the save button. Okay, so on detail page I'll get the field payslip date. What is the date? What date I'm getting here? Today's date. Okay, so guys, any doubt till here? No doubt. Perfect. Okay, so we have basic salary, incentive pay, HRA. Okay, what I want to display total earning. Okay, there should be one field, total earning in salary object. Okay, what should be total earning? Basic salary plus HRA plus incentive. Okay, so there should be one field, total earning. Okay, what should value should be available in total earning? Basic salary plus incentive plus HRA. Okay, so how it is possible? It is possible with the help of formula field. Okay, with the help of formula field it is possible. What formula we have to write? Total earning equal to basic plus HRA plus incentive pay. Okay, so I'm going to create one field, total earning. Okay, so open the salary object and create field. Okay, I'm clicking on new field, selecting formula as a data type. Okay, again clicking on next button, label name total earning. Okay, return type should be currency. What type of value we will get in total earning? Currency. Next. Okay, now what we have to do? We have to write the logic. Okay, click on advanced formula. What logic we have to write? Total earning equal to basic salary plus HRA plus incentive. Okay, so I'm going to write the logic. Okay, so we have to use some field like basic salary field. So we have one option, that is insert field. Okay, guys, you can see here we have one option. Okay, insert field. When you will click on advanced formula, you will get insert field option. Okay, so I want to use the salary field. Click on insert field and you will get the field name, basic salary. Okay, basic salary underscore underscore C plus. Again click on insert HRA. Okay, plus. Okay, click on insert operator, you will get add, subtract, multiply, divide. Okay, all operator you will get. Okay, you will get all the operators. Insert field, incentive pay. Okay, now click on check syntax. There is no syntax error. Okay, treat blank field as zeros. Okay, for currency, blank field should be zeros. Okay, next button. Next. Okay, clicking on save. So now what will happen when we will open the salary? We'll get the total earning. There will be one field, total earning. Okay. I think in Lightning it will take some time. Let me create one record. Okay, 40,000, incentive 10,000, HRA 5,000. Okay, to whom? Click on save button. What I'm getting, payslip date. Okay, so payslip date I'm getting here. Okay, so let me open the classic. In Lightning it will take some time, but in classic we'll get the data. Okay, so let me open the payslip 08. Okay, so what is the total earning? You can see 50,000. Okay, for payslip 04, total earning. Okay, 50,000. 40 plus 7 plus 3. Payslip 01. Okay, 47,300. Okay, payslip 07, 60,000. Okay, so automatically we are getting the data. Okay, who is calculating? System is calculating. Okay, so we can use the formula field. Okay, what we can do, we can create some field also. Okay, there's PF field. Okay, professional tax. Okay, there is one field also loan. Okay, with currency data type. Now what I want to display total deduction. Okay, so okay, PF will deduct. Okay, PF will deduct from your salary. So total deduction is PF plus professional tax plus loan. Okay, so this data I want to display. Total earning is 60,000, tax is 10,000. Okay, then what will be your net pay? Okay, what will be your in hand salary? Okay, total earning minus total deduction. Okay, how it is possible? It is possible with the help of formula field. Okay, we can calculate the net pay. Okay, total earning we have. Now what we have to do? We have to create three field. Okay, PF field. Okay, PF is 5,000. Professional taxes. Okay, 1,000. Loan is 10,000. Okay, total deduction is 16,000. Earning is, okay, total deduction is 16,000. Earning is 50,000. So what will be the net pay? 34,000. Okay, so it should be displayed on salary. Okay, so how it is possible? It is possible with the help of formula field. Okay, guys, so it's your assignment which you have to complete. Okay, in salary object, create PF professional tax loan field with currency data type. Then create two formula type of field. First is total deduction. Okay, what should be total deduction? PF plus professional tax plus loan. Then create second formula field, net pay. Okay, total earning minus total deduction. Okay, which you need to complete. Okay, so guys, I think it's enough for today. Okay, if you have any query, you can ask me. Okay, you want PPT access, you will get it. Okay, and it will uploaded on LMS also. Okay, if you want to take the screenshot of project, you can take it. Okay. Muskan sir, can you give navigation for this? Okay, in PPT, definitely you will get navigation. Muskan, I'll add the navigation in PPT. In LMS, notes are uploaded of day 4. Guys, you will get the notes. Okay, day 4, 5, and 6 notes you will get. Okay, is assignment mandatory for certificate? No. We are creating records right where they will be stored. Yes, we are creating the record, means CRM is the database. Okay, CRM is the database. So in database, we are storing the data. Okay. Okay, sir. Thank you. How can I earn using Salesforce in part-time, sir? Guys, first learn the Salesforce. After that, you have to think. What is LMS? Thanks for the sessions and many-to-many relationship. I cannot add more than one employees. Guys, at a time we can add one employees, but after creating the record, you can add the another employees. Yeah, there is some freelancing opportunity on Salesforce from which you can earn. Okay, assignment is not compulsory to get certificate, but okay, you have to complete it.
Oh. Hello, Himanshu. Like, if you are done, means
Is
I'll
this
take it
all
up.
a good option for entering engineering? Yes. Okay, Salesforce are in demand. And sales in from Salesforce, what you will learn the front end part as well as you can say back end part also. And cloud, okay, database you can also learn. There is some automation tool also which you can learn. Okay, so Chandana, are you here?
Yes, Himanshu. I'm here only. I'll take a bit, okay?
Okay,
Hello.
guys, there is one test on last day. There is one test. Okay, it will be MCQ test.
Himanshu, hope you are done. I'll take it up.
Okay, guys, now okay, I have completed. Chandana, are you here?
Yeah, Himanshu, am I audible or not?
If you are speaking, you are not audible.
I don't know why. So, guys, if I'm audible, please let me know in the chat box. Am I
Yes,
audible or not?
yes, you are audible.
Yeah, thank you. So, If any more questions, you can ask me in the chat box. I'm sending attendance link again. Okay. So how do we get a course completion certificate or a Salesforce certificate of after this class? So after this program, it will take 7 working days to get certificate. Okay. So it will come like a completion of a Salesforce program. Okay. Neha, we will send by this week. Don't worry about that. Sure, we'll send the digital marketing certificates by this week. So LMS is nothing but a learning management system. It's a XLR's e-learning portal. Yeah, we uploaded 4 and 5 days PPT as well. This today's PPT we will upload by tomorrow afternoon. So, Kishan, don't worry about that. It will improve. Okay. So, I hope I'm done with your questions. Yeah, Kishan, tell me. What is the percentage of the attendance? Like you're asking like for certificate, how much attendance is required, no? So 60% attendance is required, like mandatory for the sessions. Is your recording sessions will be what? Yeah, Kishan, like we have LMS, no? In LMS, we are uploading daily classes. So if you want to watch further also, you can watch it. Okay, fine. I'm done. Good to go. We'll wind up the session. We'll meet on tomorrow. Thank you for joining. Good night, everyone. Go and have